Hello everyone, my name is Adeola Kolaole of Los Angeles. Today I want to talk about tenant and landlord relationships. Before I go into the legal aspect, I'd like to just give a general advice. For the tenant, I would advise that we maintain or try to maintain a good relationship with our landlord. Even though you might say that you're not owing any rent, or you're fulfilling all your obligation as a tenant, as it were, be the utility bills and paying all the necessary dues. But however, this relationship is very important because you never know. Nobody ever plans for anything. It might just happen that you might have a delay in paying the rent, and the relationship that you have built is what might be a concession on the part of the landlord for you. And even if eventually you never even had to have a delay, one never knows what happens in the future. And also for the landlords, it's also very good for us also have a good relationship with our tenants. I've seen tenants really go out of their way because they don't want to stress the landlord. They pay things by themselves. They fix things by themselves that ordinarily landlords should be the one to fix it, but because of the relationship that they've maintained over the years. And sometimes, of course, this landlord may represent you in meetings, association meetings, especially when the landlord is not living in the house. They receive letters for you, be it land use charge bills and all that. So relationship both ways is beneficial to both parties. And then for the legal aspect, how I would always advise, your first option as a landlord should never be like going to court. It's very important that you maximize or you opt for the option of the alternative dispute resolution, which is mediation. And we have mediation centers around in Lagos here in Nigeria, where the parties will be called in and they try to settle in matters. Has the tenant when he wants to leave and all that. That should be an option first. Of course, an option where you talk to the tenant, you do that option mediation center. You explore all available options before you go to court and all that, and definitely do not take laws into your hands. Do not take out the possession of your tenant. Even if you're the owner of the house, that can be used against you. And so ensure that you follow all the due process, even if you know that it's your right. Do not take laws, do not take in police to take out your tenant's possession. Just follow the due course, and most importantly, conclusion is the relationship that I talked about, maintaining good relationship. Thank you.